And welcome back to Friday's edition of Whose Car Is It Anyway? No, today's actually Tim Short Classic Cars. Special edition of a 68 Chevy Camaro RS car. This car was a 327 car from factory, but somebody's done a little plate under the hood. It's got a ZZ4 350 crate motor in it with FiTech fuel injection on it. This car completed the Hot Rod Power Tour in 2019, so we know she's a driver. We're going to do a little walk around video of her. I cheated today. I've got the hood popped because, honestly, I'm just not good at holding the phone, pulling the lever, and then popping the hood at the same time, especially on an older, heavy hood. So I'm cheating. I apologize for the hood being up. Don't abuse me, and don't talk crap to me over it. But anyway, we'll do a little walk around here. Little car, it's a driver quality paint job. It's not something that you're going to take and win a concours edition at a cruise in or a car show. Cruise ins don't have concours. What am I talking about? Excuse me. Got a little touch up work done here. Touch up here. It's a butternut yellow. Car's had to repaint it sometime. Got a little spot here. And I've got a gentleman that can repaint the car. We can repaint the car for you if you decide that you want it repainted before you get it. Not in the price, but we can also do it though. Hideaway headlamps. Reach under the hood and let y'all see under the hood. Look at that guy, so much easier. MSD, digital ignition. FiTech fuel injection, booster, Optima battery. I painted through that real fast, didn't I? Picture of the cow tag. This car interior is really nice on it. It's got a set of 2 new OER door panels to go with it because he didn't like the driver's side, had a little bit of a bubble in it. I'll show you in just a second. I'll have that touched up. We'll touch up down the door panels here. Like I said, paint's broken on it. It's not gonna be perfect, but it will be better than what it is for the new owner. It's just a scratch there. I'll buff that out. We just got this car in last night, so pretty much just pulled it inside just to do you guys a video for the weekend. Bubble there. So I got a key in my pocket. Yes, I do. This spoiler's got a couple of spots needs touched up. I may pick a car to death, but as I always say, 99% of our business is shipping. We want you to see what you get before you get it. That way, there's no hidden surprises. Floor pans are nice, or trunk pans nice, not floor pan. Way too early in the morning for me. It's the first time I've looked as well. Take the key out because we're going to take this sucker down the road here in a minute. To do our scenic loop. It's not really a loop, it's a go up, stop, do a walk around, turn around, come back. Side of it. Needs vacuumed out, which I'll do that today. There's the bubble. But it's got a new set of door panels to go with it. We're gonna take her down the road, guys. Just open up this. There's a few of our cars. We've got 27 in stock right now. So we got plenty of inventory. You can check us out at timshortclassics.net. A lot of stuff we've got. It's going through the shop. Got a real nice 66 GT350 Tribute Coupe. This is going through right now. Should be done next week. If you're a Mustang guy or girl. Probably should have said girl or guy. Fires right up. Let's roll the window down. Alright, Power Tour sticker. It's probably backwards if you're dyslexic. You should be able to read it. I know I can. It does. The car doesn't have AC. All I do is dodge up this mud hole right there. Cut her deep, Peggy. My papa always said, cut her wide, Clyde, or cut her deep, Peggy. I was raised in a body shop. Tell my age here, I made a quarter an hour when I was about 10. I made a quarter an hour, he paid me. He gave me a piece of sandpaper and a 2x4 block. He told me to sand to my heart's content. And now, you could pay me to sand the car that way. That's the Pink Elephant, and no, it is not a strip club. Kind of pulled me when I came here. Pink Elephant is a pawn shop. We're going to do the loop up to the Pike County International Airport. Flights leaving daily to and from Hazard, Kentucky. No, I'm lying. Don't think you can fly into here unless you have your own personal plane. Southeastern Airlines or Delta or none of them fly into here. Southwestern, see how much I fly? Not very much. The miles shows 23,445, which means probably 123,000. I'm not going to represent it as accurate miles. Turn signals work. Oh, light's green. Guess what? Here we go. Can't rub my speedometer app and do filming at the same time, so I'm just going to take his word for it. Fuel gauge is accurate, half tank. He told me that when he brought it to me. There's all the pretty buttons. Steers really nice. Let go of the steering wheel, doesn't pull. I'm hurrying because I'm trying to keep the video under 10 minutes. Because most of y'all probably turn it off 9.5 minutes, or actually 8 minutes ago, because we're at 8:22 right now. But as I always say, Pike County is home of the Hatfield McCoy feud. Hatfield McCoys were a world famous feud that was published in newspapers everywhere at the turn of the century. Many people died. Some of it was embellished, but overall, still a lot of people died. Two families feuding over. They always said it started over a stolen pig, but I've heard it. We've read accounts of murder, Civil War, aggression just led over, different things. And so if you've never heard of it, check it out. Hatfield McCoy feud. It's all over the internet. All you gotta do is Google it, or DuckDuckGo it, or whatever you decide to use. So this car, there's a eye wall, so you ever see what a rock wall looks like. Pike was also home of the Pipe and Cut-Through project, which was the second largest man-made earth-moving projects in the world, or in the Western Hemisphere, next to the Panama Canal. They had developed 223 extra acres of property to build on, to do other projects with. The colleges built on it, U-Pipe, which is a big prayer area, and Pipe Medical as well. And what it did, it also removed the river from all the way from downtown Pike, routed it through a different area, so downtown didn't flood every year. going to the curb. Gotta invest in a GoPro, but I wouldn't know how to upload video to it if I did. There's the airport. Some hangars. Hangars over here. This was done on a reclaimed mine site. As y'all know, coal is essential to Eastern Kentucky's economy at the moment. Always has been, always will be. And there's a beach over there. Here you guys go. Let's do us an ending shot here. Top of the beautiful scenery. Out in the daylight in its natural habitat instead of in a fluorescent lit room with a dirty floor at the moment because of my chance to mop it. Our floor, I do apologize because our floor does stay dirty from time to time just because it's gravel in front of our little photo booth and pulling cars in and out daily because the new car store actually uses it more than I do. It's hard to keep it clean. There you have it, folks. If you're in the market for a nice driving 68 Camaro and like to stay below 40,000, I've got the car for you. We've got this car priced for $37,000. It comes with new door panels if you want the door panels, some extra fender, chrome moldings, and some other odds and ends that go with the car. If you'd like, we have financing available up to, on this car, 96 months with 10% down with approved credit through 2 different lending sources, 3 altogether if you're a local person. So as always, look us up at timshortclassics.net. You can check us out at Tim Short Classics on Facebook, Tim Short Classics on Instagram, and Tim Short Classics on TikTok. I'm not a big TikToker. I'm still learning how to do it, so check us out. Give us a follow or whatever you do on TikTok. I'm not positive. We'd love to have you as a follower and a subscriber to our website because every time a car gets put on the website, it automatically sends you an email just saying, hey, Sean's listed a new one. Come check it out. Maybe something you want. Maybe something you want to throw rocks at. Hopefully you want to buy it. So, again, thanks a lot, guys. I hope y'all have a great weekend. We're on our way to Southern Kentucky to deliver a car today because usually it fits in a 4 or 5 hour radius. I do personal delivery. And we do ship nationwide and worldwide. I've sent cars to Germany, Japan, sent cars to Australia and Canada. And, no, I've never done Mexico. So, again, thanks, guys, for tuning in. My name's Sean. Hope y'all have a great weekend. God bless. Stay safe. Bye-bye.